In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GCash via Wise. Let's get started with this straightforward process that will allow you to send money efficiently and securely. First, go ahead and open the GCash app on your mobile device. It's important to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for the best user experience. You'll notice that having the latest updates keeps the app running smoothly and securely. Once the app is open, look for the option that says Bank Transfer. Tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can see various transfer options available. Bank transfers are a reliable method for sending money, as they ensure that your funds reach the intended recipient without any hassle. Next up, select Local Transfer from the menu. This option is designed for transferring money within the country, providing you with a quick and efficient way to handle domestic transactions. It's a handy feature when you're sending money to local accounts. After selecting Local Transfer, search for Wise Pilipinas Inc. Since Wise is a popular service, it should be easy to find in the list of options. Selecting the correct recipient is crucial, as it ensures your money is sent to the right place. At this point, with the recipient selected, it's time to switch over to the Wise app or website. Open Wise and prepare to enter some necessary details. This step is crucial for setting up the transfer correctly. Using Wise adds an extra layer of reliability due to its global reputation for secure transactions. Now, you need to enter the account details. Begin by typing in the account name. Make sure this matches the name associated with the Wise account to avoid any issues. Accuracy here is key, as it ensures that your money goes to the intended recipient. Following that, input the Wise PHP account number. Double-check this number to ensure it's correct. An incorrect account number could lead to failed transactions or delays. It's always a good idea to verify these numbers with the recipient beforehand. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any limits or fees that might apply when sending money. Knowing these details beforehand helps you manage your finances better and avoid unexpected charges. Once you have everything entered correctly, take a moment to review the transfer details. This is a critical step as it gives you a chance to confirm that all the information is accurate. Reviewing helps prevent errors, saving you time and effort in the long run. With that ready, tap Send Money. This action initiates the transfer process. You'll see a prompt on the screen confirming that the transaction is underway. Seeing this confirmation can give you peace of mind knowing that the process has started. Finally, tap Confirm to finalize the transaction. This is the last step in the process. After confirming, you should receive a notification from GCash confirming that your money is on its way. This ensures that your transaction has been completed successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully sent GCash via Wise. This method combines the convenience of GCash with the global reach of Wise, making it a fantastic option for your money transfer needs. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.